Kakenhun jangka Election Commission jangka India ECI kalaya kendu yaki Nongmihkhmat na kiseng san perthai per ke jela Meghalaya. Haki arsngi kata haka khat ar ba khat lai tri ukulalengkon bantuat jingmut ban masngam yaki jing ba jing khuslai jongki. Ka ECI kalai kendu ru iki officer jangka jela halor ke jing pen kret na ke bentak election ke banwan. Chief Election Commissioner jangka India Rajiv Kumar ulaong ngakentu yaki nong song jangka jela Meghalaya bakin yashim mentashir ham hakani ke election ke banwan kum hagis ngijing Rakhe lekmen. Ka Meghalaya kalong jela ka ba suk san bal aju penong yaki election kum ka jing Rakhe ya ka hok ki Paidbah lani ke demokrasi. Kumar lai thuru ba ka jingbun pa hak jela kalong arp khandai lang ru hajar praspa prap khandai ngun. Kasama jangka ying darbar thawan ke jela Meghalaya kan kutno haka khatsan trik ulber ar hazar arpulai bar ka jingpen kre na ka banta ka jing Jied yaki Nongmihkhmat bathamai an pendep shwaban kut kata kapor.
I through you express my greetings to the Meghalaya residents and urge them to participate proactively in the forthcoming elections in a true festive mood. Meghalaya is a peaceful state and elections are always held in the environment of a festival of democracy. So we welcome and we urge everybody through you to participate with full enthusiasm in the elections. In these 2 days, friends, we first met with all the political parties, all the national parties, regional parties, state parties, so that we can get their views, their comments, their suggestions, their inputs, their apprehensions, if any. Thereafter, we have met all the district magistrates, SSPs, and all the state officials. Thereafter, all the central agencies, which I will detail later, and then the chief secretaries and DG of the state, along with the officials, to conduct free, fair, transparent, and inducement-free election. For this, while we have directed to everybody, and what we have directed, I will tell you just now. But before that, we are using technology to empower the citizens. So there is an app called C Vigil. Citizens, be vigil. If you want to make any complaint to the Election Commission, just download this app and you can take a picture, upload it. If something wrong is happening, if cash is distributed, you can just take a picture and just upload this. This is your complaint. If you want to write something, you can write, and text also you can give us a complaint. And wherever you are, wherever the complainant is, from his latitude and longitude will be captured automatically, so that we know the location where this is happening. And in 100 minutes, our teams would reach, within 100 minutes maximum, teams would reach, check it, and come back to the complainant that this is what is the status. Yes, your complaint was right, it has been tackled, or it was partially right, or it was not right. Whatever action is taken would just be reported back.